As you know, here at F-Stoppers, we create photography tutorials on all different genres of photography. One of the videos that we created years ago was on wedding photography, and that normally sells for $300. Well, let me tell you about the best discount ever that is going on right now. If you spend $108 with 5-day deal right now, you're going to get that wedding photography tutorial plus $3,500 in extras. Now, this probably sounds too good to be true, but go ahead, check it out for yourself. This is photography education and software, and this is really the best deal of the entire year. You're going to save 95 to 97% off the retail price on all of these incredible products. Now, if you're feeling really rich, you can jump up to $137 and you can get the complete package, which is going to include an additional $1,500 in education and software. And here's the best thing about 5-day deal. 10% of the proceeds go to charities around the world. And these are legitimate charities. They are actually going to help people. So not only are you going to get incredible software and education for 95% off, you're also going to be giving a chunk of your money to a great cause. To take part in this incredible deal, check out the link in the description below. You only have 5 days for this 5-day deal.